Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, I am your English learning friend. I make short, fun, and useful videos to help you speak real everyday English with confidence. Whether you are learning for school, work, travel, or just for fun, I have got you covered. Here you will learn idioms, phrases, daily conversations, and tips that native speakers use every day. So, without further ado, let's get in. So, here is the daily conversation part 2 using idioms with their meanings. The scene is meeting a friend after a long time. The person A says, "Hi, long time no see." The bee replied, "I know, right? It's been forever. Let's break the ice. How have you been?" So here is the idiom used, break the ice. That means start a friendly conversation. The person A says, "Not bad, but I have been super busy with exams. Time to hit the books again." So the idiom used in this sentence is the hit the books. So the meaning is study hard. The bee replied, "Oh, same here. I had to study all weekend. Not fun at all." The person A says, "Don't worry. The last exam is always a piece of cake. Remember?" So the idiom used here, piece of cake, which means very easy. The bee replied, "True, I hope so, but I have been feeling under the weather lately." So the idiom used here is under the weather, which means feeling sick. The A says, "Oh no, get some rest. Maybe you should call it a day and relax." The idiom used in this sentence is call it a day, which means stop working or studying for now. The bee said, or bee replied, "Yeah, I think you're right. Thanks, friend." The A says again, "Anytime, let's catch up again soon." The bee replied, "Definitely, this chat helped a lot." So the idiom used in this conversation are break the ice, hit the books, piece of case, under the weather, call it a day. So thank you guys. Subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.